Welcome to this video on the basic aspects of media, created for Calicut University's BA Functional English Introduction to Journalism course. Journalism is a systematic process, not a single act. The basic aspects of media include data collection, recording, writing, editing, and printing or production. News moves step by step, from information gathering to public distribution. Data collection is the first step, involving gathering facts, opinions, and evidence. This is done through interviews, observation, documents, and research. Think of it like collecting ingredients before you cook a meal. Reporting involves verifying sources, checking facts, and organizing raw data into reliable information. Key elements are accuracy, balance, and objectivity. This ensures the published report is trustworthy. Writing is presenting the verified information as a clear, engaging news story. News writing uses simple language and short sentences, often following the inverted pyramid style, putting the most important information first. Editing is crucial for improving and correcting the draft story. Editors check for errors, clarity, grammar, and ensure legal and ethical safety before publication. This results in a polished and fair story. For print media, printing is the physical production of newspapers or magazines using large presses, paper, and ink. This happens after final approval and often involves morning distribution. Production is the final output and distribution of content across platforms like print, TV, radio, or digital media. It involves assembling, packaging, and distributing the polished story to the audience. In conclusion, the basic aspects of media form a systematic process to transform raw information into reliable news content. Every stage is essential. Skipping any step risks the credibility and quality of journalism.